you lovely people out there, and Diwali is around the corner and so is the wedding season. So today I am showing you how to do a glam makeup look where I'm focusing on the eyes. I've used the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream on my face to moisturize my face. Now I'm going to be using the Clinique Under Eye Cream to hydrate my under eyes before I apply any makeup under my eyes. And since I was traveling, this is a quick makeup look that I'm trying to show you guys. This is the facial oil by the brand Glamouroma to prime my face. Now I'm using my favorite foundation, which is the Revlon Color Stay Foundation, and I will be putting all the details of the shades down below in the description box. So after priming my face, I am putting on this foundation and you can see how flawless it looks on my skin. After using the foundation, a lot of times the foundation touches the eyebrows. You can see how much of the foundation has actually come on the earbud after cleaning. And now I'm using the Makeup Revolution concealer to prepare my eyelids for the eyeshadows. Now I'm going to be using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, which is the Huda Beauty palette, and using the pink shade. You can use any other brand and use a pink shade on your eyelid to create a soft look for the transition shade. This is the Lakme gel liner, which is one of the cheap gel liners that are available in the market, and you can use this on your eyelids, but be careful to smudge it before it dries down, because then it becomes difficult to smudge it properly on your eyelids and it can be a little rough as well. After blending this gel liner, I'm again using the same brush which had the pink color eyeshadow on it and trying to blend both the colors together. Now I'm going to be using this glitter eyeshadow, which is by the brand Australis. This is the metallic shade eyeshadow by this brand, and it's a creamy texture eyeshadow, so you can blend this really well on your eyelids. Blending is a very important step in this eye look. Now I will be using the Faces crayon for the brow bone, which will highlight that point on my face. I'm also going to be using this color on the inner corner of my eyes for my eyes to pop out a little more. If you watch my previous videos, you'll know this is my favorite mascara. So after putting on the mascara, I will be now adding the false lashes. And then I've added a pink lip shade and a little bit of contouring and highlighting off the camera. And this is the final look which I wanted to show you guys. Hope you guys liked it. And if you did, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave your comments below. Bye bye.